Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us for another one in our series on the EGW Writings 2 iPad app, and we're learning how to use all the different functions and features of the app. Today we're going to look at listening history and how to share that with my other devices. So straight away, let's dive right in here, and you can see on my iPad in front of me that I have listening history at the bottom. Now let's go and click on listening history, and when it opens up, you can see here right on my desktop I have all of my books that I've been listening to. Now the first book there, Patriarchs and Prophets, you can see that it's at the 5 minutes and 5 second listening mark. If I open that, you'll notice that it picks up playing chapter 8 at 5 minutes and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we'll stop that at 15 seconds. So just imagine that I've finished listening my audiobook, and I'm just going to go back to the home screen, and when I'm at the home screen, I've closed the app and I'm done for the day. Now, if I want to pick up the next day, not on my iPad, but I want to pick it up from my iPhone, that is not a problem if I'm logged into the same account. And you can check that by tapping on the little side menus on both devices, and you can see here that I'm logged in with exactly the same account on both devices. So let's come back here, and so I'm going to pick up listening on my iPhone. So to do so, I tap on listening history, and then you can see here that it's got 5 minutes and 14 seconds, and I tap on the Patriarchs and Prophets, and it picks up where I was last listening. Now maybe I pause that, I tap on home, I can come back to my iPad, tap on listening history. Now it's at 5 minutes and 21 seconds where I paused it, and it picks up and it continues playing where I last left off. So you can switch back and forth listening between devices. You can't listen to them at the same time. If you do, the history gets a little messed up. You can do so, but it'll get a little messed up. So I advise you to listen to one device at a time. So that's how you use the listening history to use between the two devices. So thank you for joining us today. I hope you have a wonderful day and remain blessed as you walk with God each and every day of your life. Bye for now.